1911 full metal one. Yeah, alright, that was 4 or 5 shots. I shot some before testing it. It went all through and throughs.
You do know you just said all through and throughs.
That's what she said, but don't say it. I swear to God, I'll kick someone's ass, even though I don't know you. Next gun
It's not funny.
is the KWC Desert Eagle. Oh shit.
That made a loud click.
Oh yeah, this one has a little issue when like you cock it back. That's what she said. And you let it go quickly, it will shoot like that. So you can let it go gently.
Ow.
That was like 4 or 5 shots.
They saw every shot you just shot.
Yeah. Surprisingly, that I don't think went through and through. That's pretty sad.
Stop saying through and through.
God damn it. Next gun, we have the TAC R71. I'm gonna take probably 3 or 4 shots in semi.
You know you never said what your name was at the beginning of the video.
3 shots in semi, and maybe a burst, few bursts.
Here we go.
Alright, we're empty, guys.
Alright.
Just letting you know, guys, that wasn't fully charged, so probably not as much FPS as it should be. Alright, hang on, guys. My friend's getting his gun. He's gonna do his shooting test now. Alright, so specifying, these are the Desert Eagle and 1911 rounds, and these are the TAC R71 rounds, and it didn't go through and through. It penetrated probably, that's what she said, not even an inch, probably. You can see the seams where it hit and almost broke through, but didn't break through.
Hey Jonathan, you
Yeah, this is Jake Mack's gun, so Taurus PT92 again. Alright, this probably is from a few yards away.
As far as you were, Jonathan.
Yeah, pretty much as far as I was. Through and through. Through and through. Alright, he's out.
I missed.
Oh. Alright, that's good. They all shoot this flap. Oh, fuck. Shoot this flap, and we'll check the damage here. Shoot that flap. That unshot flap.
Ooh, I wanna. Alright, fine.
Alright, enough.
Oh no.